How to set about info with custom duration on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and then tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen. Further, tap on the About option right above your profile picture, and in this particular interface, go ahead and change your About info. You can also add in emojis if you want, or you can also simply select from the options given below. Further, tap on the duration option and you will see a bunch of options. You can set the duration from 1 hour to 1 week. Just in case if you want a custom duration, then tap on the custom option you see there and then tap on the until option and then choose your duration. Choose your preferred duration and then tap on the save option on the top right of your screen, and with this, your duration will be changed. So this was about how you can set about info with custom duration on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.